sides AB and BC and median AD. Here in this triangle ABC and PQ, look at this, we have two triangles, sides AB, BC, AB and BC. This side AB and then BC, AD, the median AD, it is given median AD of triangle ABC. You have to take, say, two sides, I'll highlight this one, AB, then BC, these two sides and median AD. See, AB, BC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ. This side PQ, then another side QR, say PQ, QR and the median PM. So these three sides are proportional here. Two sides of this given triangle and median, and the two sides of another triangle and median are respectively proportional. This is the data given. See, sides AB, BC, median AD of triangle ABC. The same way, sides PQ, QR and median PM are proportional. They are proportional to each other. Now you have to prove that ABC is similar to PQ. So what is given, what you have to prove, you have to understand now. So AB by PQ, they are the corresponding sides. BC by QR and median AD by median PM. They are proportional. You have to prove that ABC is similar to PQR. Now let us write whatever that is given. So as the data in triangle both ABC and PQR, we have the sides AB by the corresponding side in PQR, AB by PQ is equal to, for BC it is QR, BC and QR are proportional. So you can write BC by QR and then median AD of triangle ABC proportional to median PM of another triangle, AD by PM. So this is the data that they have given in these two triangles. Once again listen what they have given. AB by PQ, then BC by QR, then median AD divided by median PM. Okay. Now your job is to prove that the given ABC triangle is similar to PQR. So therefore, let us write to prove that ABC similar to triangle PQR. We need to prove these two triangles are similar. Okay, so now let us go to the proof here. We have to show that, look at this, given AB by BC, AB by PQ, BC by QR, AD by PM, let us use that one. So once again, what is given, I will write here. AB by PQ, BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. This is given. So whatever that is given, we can write here. Now, look at this. We got AB by PQ, BC by QR and AD by PM. Here D is the midpoint of BC because AD is median. Median is a line segment joining a vertex and the midpoint of its opposite side. So AD is median, D must be midpoint. So BD and DC must be equal. These two line segments are equal. So BC, I can write it as 2 times BD. So here BC, I will write 2 times BD. So let us write AB by PQ as it is. Instead of writing BC, we can write BD, 2 times BD. So here, I will write 2 times BD. Divided by, instead of writing QR, I will write it as QM, 2 times QM. So you can write here 2 times QM is equal to, let us write AD by PM as it is. AD by PM. You should understand why I am doing like this. Given AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR and AD by PM. Why I converted BC as BD, here PR as QM? Only purpose is to show that ABD is similar to PQM. Using this, I can show that these small triangles are similar. So you can cancel 2 and 2. What is left out now? AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. See, now look at the diagram and compare this one. AB by PQ. First one, AB by PQ. Second one, BD by QM. BD by QM. Third ratio, AD by PM. AD by PM. See here, in these two triangles, all the three sides are proportional. AB by PQ, BD by QM, AD by PM. We proved that all the three sides are proportional. Hence I can write. So here, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. We can write triangle ABD is similar to PQM because SSS similarity. So we can write they are similar because of SSS similarity. SSS similarity because AB by PQ one side, BD by QM another side, AD by PM third side. They are proportional here. We proved that three sides are proportional in both the triangles. So therefore we concluded that ABD similar to PQM. Now our job is not to prove ABD similar to PQM. We wanted to prove ABC similar to PQM, but we proved that ABD similar to PQM. So use this. If they are similar, then the corresponding parts should be in the same ratio. So sides and corresponding angles should be equal. If the triangles are similar, I can write the corresponding angles are equal. So therefore I can write B is equal to, I can write angle B is equal to angle Q. So there the corresponding angles of similar triangles. So therefore angle B is equal to Q we got. Now you again go back to this ratio now. Again you go back to this ratio. We have AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Take these two. So we have AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. It is given. So now we proved that angle P is equal to Q. Angle P is equal to angle Q. We have proved. Okay. Now look at the diagram now. Look at the diagram. AB by PQ, BC by QR, and angle P is equal to angle Q. Now I can conclude the triangle ABC similar to PQR by which criterion? SAS criterion. So therefore I can write by SAS similarity criterion. By SAS similarity criterion. So I can write these two triangles are similar. Which are the triangles? Triangle ABC must be similar to triangle PQR. Because two sides are proportional and the included angle are equal. B is equal to Q, it is an included angle. These two sides are proportional. So look at the diagram and see that. So AB by PQ, BC by QR, and the angle B is equal to angle Q. These two sides are proportional and these two angles are equal. So sides proportional, angle equal to angle. These two are two sides and it's an included angle. Two sides and an included angle. Therefore, triangle ABC must be similar to triangle PQR. This is what we wanted to prove in this question. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ABC is equal to angle BAC. This is the data they have given. You have to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So now let us draw the diagram using this. So D is a point on side A. So let us draw one triangle. So this is a triangle ABC. We can write this as a triangle ABC. And they are told D is a point on ABC. D is a point on ABC. So you can take this as point. Join this one. Now D is a point on BC. So D is a point on BC. side BC we have taken point D, and that point is like that, so that ADC is equal to BAC. Angle ADC, this angle is equal to BAC. So these two angles are equal. Look at this BAC angle, this complete angle is equal to this one. So now you can understand now what is the data that they have given. Let us write systematically. So given and what you have to prove. So you have to write. So now given angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Angle ADC. So they have given angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. With reference to this diagram we are writing angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, that is given. We need to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. So here we will write. So we need to prove CA square is equal to CD into CB. CB into CD. Okay. This is what we have to prove. Next, go to the proof. See, look at this. What is given and what you have to prove. First, you understand this. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC. Here is a point D. So, with the condition, angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. BAC angle is equal to ADC. So, using this, you have to prove that CA square. When you look at this, so you have to get an idea. You have to show two triangles similar. Then you have to write the sides proportional. Then only it is possible to get this answer. Maybe you will get CA by CB or CA by CD. Then CA you transfer to one side. Afterwards you will get this equation. So now let us prove two triangles you have to take. First one, it is easy to identify given triangles. Look at this, these two angles are equal. These are the angles of triangle ABC and ADC. So therefore we need to take only these two triangles. ADC triangle and ABC triangle. Because in the question itself they have given these two angles, and these angles are the angles of triangle ABC as well as ADC. So therefore let us take in triangle ADC and ABC, in triangle ADC and in triangle ABC, ADC and ABC. So they have given, you can write ADC is equal to BAC. Is it not clear? So in these two triangles, they have given angle BAC is equal to ADC. They have given angle BAC is equal to ADC. What is given? Let us write this one. Angle BAC. So first let us write ADC is equal to angle BAC. So this is, you can write it is given because it is there in the data itself. In the question itself, they have given ADC and BAC are equal. This ADC angle is equal to BAC. One more angle we have to find out to show that the triangles are similar. Can you identify which is that angle same in both the triangles?
Angle C is common.
Yes. So angle C, so look at this angle C. This angle is a common angle for both the triangles. ABC also we have this angle C, and in ADC also we have angle C. So therefore, first I will write this C of this triangle ADC like this. ACD is equal to angle ACB. So look at this, ACD and ACB. So therefore, this is the common angle in both the triangles. Common angle in both the triangles. So therefore, by AE similarity, you can use that once two angles are equal, use this AE similarity. I can write triangle ADC similar to, this is very important. While writing, you have to write in a proper order. So in ADC, see for angle A, or otherwise for D in ADC, it is A. For D, what has known you write properly first. For D it is A, second one will write. For C it is C only. What is left out here? You got two vertices, the third one which is left out is D. This is ADC, we left with only B. ADC is the triangle first we have taken. For A corresponding angle, say for D corresponding angle is A only, for C it is C only. Then what is left in ABC? In triangle ABC, only B is left out. That you write first. See this ADC we have written here. Then this one you have to write in order. You cannot write like ABC itself. For D you know it is C because it is given. For D angle it is A. So in place of D you can write A. Second vertex you write A. Third vertex C and C are same. You can see the diagram. C is common. So for D it is A. C is common. So what is left out in ABC? Only the vertex B. That you write at the first. For A it is B. Now after writing these triangles are similar, you can write the sides are proportional. Three pairs of sides are proportional. I can write AD by AB. First two vertices. AD by AB. Then CD by CA. CD by CA is equal to. Then first and last. Okay. CA by CB. CA by CB. How I have written, look at this. First two you take AD by BA, AD by AB, first two. Then come back to this second one, DC, DC by AC, DC by AC, DC, AC or CD, CA, both are same. Then first and last, A and C, here B and C. So A and C, B and C. So in order you can write the ratios proportional. So now I don't want this, you can remove this, take only the last two. CD by CA is equal to CA by CB. Because we need to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. So now come to this ratio, cross multiply now. CA into CA gives you CA square is equal to CD into CB or CB into CD. This is what we wanted to prove here. So look at this. We wanted to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. So hence we proved here CA square is equal to CB into CD or CD into CB. Both are same. Sides AB, AC and median AD of triangle ABC respectively proportional to side PQ, PR and median P of another triangle PQ. You have to show that triangle ABC similar to PQ. So let us take two triangles. So one is ABC. So I take this as ABC is a triangle. I think let us go to the next page because we need to do some construction here. So I take this is a triangle ABC. So you can take this as triangle ABC, another triangle PQR. They need not be of the same size, okay, because we are going to prove only they are similar, not congruent. So we have taken two triangle ABC and PQR and median AD of triangle ABC. Let us take a median AD now. So midpoint you have to select here, join this one A to D. So this is a midpoint AD and then here median PM. So let us take the midpoint of QR here, join this one. So this is PM. See AD and PM are medians. So now what is given, let us write first. What is given, what you have to prove. Then let us write the construction if necessary. Okay. So given in these two triangles, look at this, what is given here? Sides AB, AC and median AD. AB, AC. In the previous question it was BC. Now it is given AB and AC. So then and median AD. Second triangle PQ, PR and PM. So in the second triangle PQ, PR and PM, they are proportional. So I will write for AB the corresponding side is PQ. Since it is given respectively they are proportional. For AB it is PQ. Then another side AC proportional to PR. Then median AD is proportional to PM. You understand the difference between the previous question number 12 and this one? In the question number 12, it was given AB by PQ, BC by QR was given. Median was like this only. Now instead of BC, they changed it to AC. The difference between the last question and this question, AB by PQ, there it was BC by QR, now it is AC by PR. So it is equal to AD by PM, it was same only. First and last same, but the second and changing now. So the previous BC by QR, now it is changed to AC by PR. So we need to prove that triangle ABC similar to PQR. We need to prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. For this we need some construction. So construction is, so I am going to remove this. So I have to do some extra work here. So let me remove this one. Okay. So I will write here what is given and what we have to do in the previous page only. So given AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM, and we need to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So let us do some construction here. Construction. So now you have to produce the side AD. Produce the side AD up to E. You can call this as point E. With the condition AD should be equal to DE. Produce side AD up to E with the condition AD and DE are equal. Then join CE. So you can call this C. C and E are joined. Remember what is the construction I have done? Produce AD up to E. Produce AD up to E with condition. What is the condition? AD should be equal to D. AD should be equal to D. Then join C. So join C. Very important condition. These two are equal in length. So we join C. Same thing you have to do in the other triangle also. Produce PM up to S. Or okay. N you can call. Then join Rn. So with the condition these two are equal. So same thing we'll write here. Produce. So you can produce what is that median PM. PM up to N with the condition PM is equal to Mn. So join what is that Rn. Produce PM up to N. So with the condition PM is equal to Mn. Then join Rn. Cool. This is the construction. Now let's go to the proof. We'll go to the proof now. Look at this. You can prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDE. Tell me how can you prove these two triangles? In triangle ABD and in triangle CDE. You can prove these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles, this triangle and this triangle. So how can you prove that they are congruent? Corresponding parts you have to tell me. There are three pairs of parts. First one.
The BD equal to CD.
What is the reason?
Median.
So BD is equal to CD because median, D is the midpoint. So because AD is median, you can write AD is median. So that is the reason. Okay, second point. Now tell me what is the second point.
The angle ADB is equal to angle CDM.
CDE.
CDE.
Very good. So these two angles are equal. ADE, ADB. Angle ADB is equal to angle CDE. What is the reason?
Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angles. Okay, good. Then one more.
AD is equal to AD.
AD is equal to D. Very good. AD is equal to D. This is done in construction. So every time you have to write the for every step. So look at this. In these two triangles, we have taken BD is equal to DC because it's a midpoint. Then AD is equal to DE. AD is equal to DE. These two are done in construction. Then these two angles are equal, vertically opposite angle. This angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle. So therefore, by SAS congruence rule, so you can write by SAS congruency. So you can write triangle. What are the triangles congruent? ABD congruent to triangle ABD congruent to. So you can write for A, it is E, C, D, ECD. So respectively you are writing in order. Look at this. Since this BD will fall on CD, if you overlap each other, take out this triangle and place it on this triangle. So BD and DC are equal, therefore B will coincide with C. And since AD and D are equal, this A will coincide with E. So they are the corresponding vertices. A to E, B to C, and D is to